Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akhil and in today's video I am going to talk about 5C. You should keep away yourself from these 5C. So guys, let me say something before starting the video. Guys, if you want prosperity in your life, if you want that everyone should like you, if you want that I want to be happy all the time, then you must watch this video because this video is really related to you, and if you will watch this video till the end, you will be beneficial from this video. So guys, I am going to talk about 5C, and you should always be aware from these 5C, and you should keep away yourself from these 5C. So guys, the first C is criticize. Yes guys, we easily start criticizing other people. We start criticizing our friends. If something happen, we start blaming others. Never ever criticize others, because if you are criticizing others, you are criticizing for yourself. You are just demeaning your value. You are just reducing your value. No one will give you respect. So never criticize anyone. Listen guys, if you will start criticizing others, people will not love you. They will not like you. They will try to go away from your, from your partnership. They do not want to be your companion. So guys, always remember, never criticize others. Now guys, the second C is complain. We start complaining. If something bad happens, if something wrong happens, we start complaining. Never ever complain. If you have done any mistake, you should take the responsibility. You should not start complaining. This is really very bad. You should save yourself from this. Never complain. Take the full ownership. Take the full responsibility of any task. Right guys? Now guys, the third C is cry. Guys, if you are not getting success, if you are getting failure again and again, you should not cry. You should try. Instead of crying, you should try. You should not cry that I do not have this, I do not have that, because of that I was not able to get success. Never cry. Instead of crying, you should try. There are many excuses. We start complaining about them. So never ever cry. Just try. Okay guys? Now guys, the fourth C is curse. Guys, if anybody says something bad to us, we start saying that if you are telling something bad about me, then something bad happened to you. We start saying like this. If somebody is using wrong words, if somebody is abusing us, we start abusing, and we start saying something that something bad will happen in your future. You will never get success in your life. You are good for nothing. You will die without achieving anything. We start creating bad thoughts about others. We curse other people. Guys, if you are cursing others, you are actually not cursing them. You are cursing for yourself. You are just demeaning your reputation, your value, and if these thoughts comes in your mind, means you are very away from your success. You are very away from your achievement, from your rewards. Whatever you want to get in your life, you will be very away from all the achievements. So never curse others, because this is stoppage in your life. So never curse others. Otherwise you will be not satisfied with yourself. You will be unhappy all the time. You will be not able to sleep properly if you will curse others, if you will say something bad about others, if you will blame others. Never ever curse others, right? Now guys, the fifth C I am going to talk about. So guys, the fifth C is compare. He is rich, I am poor. He is intelligent, I am not intelligent. He has everything, I do not have anything. We start saying like this. God has given nothing to me, God has given everything for him. What is this, guys? If you do not have anything, you can achieve everything by practice, by hard work. Do hard work, do practice, and you will get each and everything. If any neighbor is rich and if he has big bungalow, you start thinking that I should also have. Why God has not given me everything? He has everything. He has car, he has bungalow, he is rich, he is wearing new clothes all the time. What is this, guys? Never ever compare yourself from others. Just if you want to compare yourself, so if you want to compare, then compare from yourself. What did you do better today from next day, from previous day? Okay, just compare yourself with yourself. Never ever compare yourself with others. Otherwise you will be unhappy all the time. You will regret, you will be upset, you will be you will broken from inside. So why are you comparing yourself from others? Be happy. Whatever you are having, just enjoy. At least you have something. There are others who do not have anything. So just be happy that whatever you have, you should utilize that properly. And whatever you are having, if you will utilize that properly, you can go ahead, you can progress in your life, you can improve your life. Really guys, whatever you are having, just enjoy, be happy, and say thank to God. Whatever I am having, I am happy. And just pray in front of the God all the time. So guys, I hope so you will be able to save yourself from these 5 C. The first C is criticize. Second is complain. Third, cry. Fourth is compare. Yes. And fifth is curse. So please keep yourself away from these 5 C if you want to develop yourself, if you want improvement in your life. So I hope so guys, you liked my video, you understood that I will also keep away myself from these 5 C. So guys, I will be coming up with new videos, and if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel guys. It takes only 1 second to subscribe my channel guys. When you will subscribe to my channel, I will get motivation. I will be very happy. I will think you are supporting me. So just subscribe as well to my YouTube channel guys, because when you watch the video, you forget that I have to subscribe as well. So I am requesting all of you, whoever is watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will come in the next video. Until then guys, please take care of yourself, be happy, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.